subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
ZTE has finally launched the Blade V30 smartphone in Mexico, along with the lower variant of it as Blade V30 Vita. Talking about the specifications, the ZTE Blade V30 supports a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni-SoC Tiger T618 chipset, which is equivalent to a MediaTek Helio G80-like processor. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the ZTE Blade V30 features a quad camera setup in a huge squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.86 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view plus 5MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 and it houses a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging, and it supports reverse charging as well. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.8 by 77.8 by 8.9mm and it weighs around 193 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The ZTE Blade V30 has been priced in Mexico at 5,099 Mexican pesos. And it will be soon available for purchase in the country in gradient blue and black color options. So what do you guys think of this ZTE Blade V30 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.